Hello everyone, good morning. I am Prisma Fransiska. I am an English study student with study number 2521027. My presence here, I will share a presentation about 4 articles that I read. The topic is educational during the COVID-19 pandemic. This story is presentation on several articles that I took from Google Scholars which were published in 2020 until 2021. The reason I took the term education during the COVID-19 pandemic is because I experienced that period myself, and as a student and prospective educator, I think this article will be very useful for educational innovation in the future. Here, I will discuss 4 points. The first is education during a pandemic. The second, education methods influence the learning process. The third is educational innovation during a pandemic, and the fourth is impact of online class. Okay, let's move to the first topic. Okay, the first topic is education during a pandemic. The title of the article is Learning During the COVID-19 Pandemic. Authors Lukdevi Herliandri, Nur Hasanah, Maria Angelina Sugan, and Heru Uswanto from Scientific Education Graduate School, Yogyakarta State University. Released April 30, 2020. The coronavirus has been endemic in Indonesia from early March to May 2020. The impact of the COVID pandemic has changed various aspects of human life. The policies issued to limit the spread of COVID-19 have an impact on various fields throughout the world, especially education in Indonesia. Teachers and educators, as an important element in teaching, are required to make massive migration or online or distance education. Online learning is effective for carrying out learning even though educators and students are in different places. This is able to solve the problem of students rely in acquiring knowledge. Online learning is defined as a knowledge transfer experience using a video, audio, image, text communication software with support of the internet network. Okay, then the second topic is education methods applied to learning process. The title of article is Effect of Online Learning Methods on Students' Learning Interest in the COVID-19 Pandemic. Author Derajat Edi Kurniawan and Makin, Guidance and Counseling PGRI University, Yogyakarta. Released May 2020. The implementation of social restrictions, the prohibition of crowds, the limit of activities outside their home inevitability have a significant impact on the world of education, especially in Indonesia. Disturbance in the direct learning process between students and teachers and consultation of learning assessment have an impact on the psychology of students and the decline in the quality of student skills. Learning activities which are generally carried out by face-to-face method must be changed to non-face-to-face methods, or this method known as the online learning method. And then the third topic is education innovation during a pandemic. The title of article is Education Innovation During the COVID-19 Pandemic. Author are Ansori from Sultan Maulana Hasanuddin State Islamic University Banten and Ahmad Fitri Hadisari from Darul Islamic Boarding School Rangkas Bitung, Indonesia, released December 10, 2020. The things needs to be observed about educational innovation in the COVID-19 pandemic period is that it is in the industrial and revolution era 4.0, which has been established with the application of the Internet of Things or IoT. Before the pandemic, it's just a take of advantage of IT. Another important thing is that the response to change according to circumstance and the time must be swift in adjusting to the era. Or in other words, adaptation must always be. And it must be balanced with government policies that are in line with the developments and innovation it strengthens, both during the pandemic, the norm, or normal period. The main aim is that the collaboration between technology, human resource, and police will be extraordinary synergy in build a civilized Indonesian education. Okay, the last topic is impact of distance education. And the title of article is the impact of distance learning for students during the COVID-19 pandemic. Author Faradila Anini from Makassar State University. Released in 2020. Online class courses are learning that is increasingly less efficient, so that students find it more difficult to understand the material that has been given by the lecturer, and the lack of interaction between lecturers and students make it difficult to understand the material that has been given. Online class can be expected as an increase in the learning independence, but on the contrary, student learning independence is low because many students don't take time advantage for their free time to learn their lecturer's material has been given. Also, there are many negative impacts in the online system. There are also positive impacts on online learning for students, namely on getting material easily and accessing materials at any time in internet and safety the dangers of the coronavirus. Overall, four articles that I discussed, they all have the same topics, that is education during a COVID-19 pandemic. However, each article has a different point that is covered. I think enough of my presentation today. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.